Hey y'all. Okay. I think is my it looks crooked to me. It's fine, I guess it's fine. If not, I'm sure y'all let me know. So it's been a while and I keep meaning to get on here and do a video about everything that's gone on. And life keeps happening. First off, because I am doing this video while Hurricane Florence is happening. And as someone who went through Harvey and Ike and Rita, my heart goes out to you guys. It's rough. No one understands unless they go through it. You know, this time last year we were like crawling out of Harvey, so excuse me. And there are people, you know, but we did it, we recovered, and people came out, you know, it really did bring out the best. So it's hard. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but it does get better. And I will put links below to organizations that are going to be working with shelters out there, people that are trying to do work on the ground. Really, my advice, if you want to help and you're not local, send money. So that the places can purchase what they need. They have more buying power than you do. And that's just the best way to go if you are local to that area and want to help. I'll also post links to things that shelters will actually need, because people give a lot of stuff that they can't really use, that they have to throw away, that just takes time away from doing what they actually need to do. And I will give, you know, just a brief warning, please, 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 please. As someone who has lived through several hurricanes and watched firsthand, please do not donate to the Red Cross. Don't give me money. There are lots of other amazing and worthwhile places to give your money to. Hell, at that point, if that's the only place you would donate to, just keep your money. Because it was bad experiences, you know, when you see Red Cross going up to people and trying to steal their water because they don't believe that it belonged to someone. Just bad shit where, you know, like Red Cross was run out of here kicking and screaming. We didn't want shit to do with them. We did it ourselves because everyone kind of saw finally what I'd been telling them after Katrina, Rita, and Ike was Red Cross ain't gonna do anything. They're not gonna fix anything. So, now let's get on with the video, shall we? After my little rant. It's that time again because Mabon is coming up, so it's time for to open our newest Sabbat box, and you would think that by now I would know to have like something here to open this shit with, because the box is well, I think usually I cut the tape before I come in here to do this, but I haven't been able to find any of my scissors in a minute, so now we're doing it with a nice pair of tweezers. Whatever, it'll work. Buy some tweezers. I don't need tweezers. I need scissors. Okay. Oh, it's taped on the sides too. Okay. Now for anyone that's in the Carolinas, if you follow me, I have a friend who has family there, and she said they've already lost power. They lost power yesterday. So, you won't see any of this, but for anyone who hasn't lost power, you won't. Hopefully they get their power back on soon. After Harvey, it was really hit or miss as to who had power and who didn't. I think they worked from the outside in, as far as the areas affected in Houston anyway. Okay, so let's... Okay, I actually really like this pamphlet, and I'm gonna have to keep that picture because that's really pretty. I like to keep stuff. So, super pretty. And I like that. I always like how it's, oh, look at that little moon sticker. Oh, it's a nice full moon sticker. Oh, nice. Okay. So first thing up is a full moon ritual bath soak, which, oh, I love a good bath. That's the one thing that I have all kinds of salts, and I mean, I used to have my own business doing all that, so I really got into that. Okay, Moon Magic Herb Blend, if that'll show up. Let's see what else. Oh, Moon Magic Intention Spell Candle Set. Oh, and it's got a little, I can't if it'll show up. Get what you get. I think that's as good as it'll get. So let's see, because I want to open it. Oh, I love this candle size. I love that size. There's a shop local to me that sells like that size candles, and I buy way too many. I mean, I guess not really. You can't ever have too many, but I certainly do buy a lot. Let's see. Oh, Moon Magic Ritual Oil. Release from Honey Rose Botanicals. That's anointing oil during the waning moon. But I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Oh, that's nice. That must, oh yeah, it has lemongrass. Okay, so it smells really nice. Okay, put it in that. Because I haven't taken my pictures of it yet. So whoop. Shouldn't put it in, I'm glad it's packaged, but now I'm gonna worry. I'm glad it's really nicely packaged, but I'm like, I'm gonna pop these bubbles. Which doesn't matter after I'm done with everything. I might take it out. You know what, doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, and there's a little candle holder. That's what that is. I saw the bottom of it. Where's the little candle holder? A rainbow moonstone. I have so many pieces of moonstone, but that's so cool. Like, you can't ever have too many. And then, okay, I don't know why I got a bag, but I suspect I'll figure out when I get in here deeper. Oh, nice. Oh, I love stuff like this. Oh my gosh. My Pinterest board is full of stuff that looks like this. Oh. Oh, and then a business card from the Earthen Alchemist. That's nice. Okay, oh. Oh, nice. And a Moon Spells book. That'll be something. I guess I buy so many. I love books. I buy so many books. And then I just keep them around for like, I just have stacks and stacks and stacks of books because I love to read. I love to have books. I think I just love to have books more than I love to read. It feels really nice. To have them around. So I say I'll read it. I hope I read it. So it would be a shame to not. Okay. We're done. So yeah, that was a nice quick video. And I definitely have to get back on here soon because there's a lot going on that I really have to go over and kind of talk about what's going on with this channel, with my other channels, where we're going, what we're doing, everything. But for now, I've got to go make some chili and cornbread. So on that note, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.